How to open Supplier Invoice.
Hi everyone, it's Jason here from EIST SQL. In today's video, I'm going to talk about supplier invoices. Okay, so basically supplier invoice function is basically same as the customer invoice. So I will go through two different situations where you want to use supplier invoice. So the first one will be if you want to key in your system as an opening balance for your supplier. Or the second use case is actually for you to record the transactions that are not related to your trading items. For example, you just bought a services from your particular supplier. Okay, so I will go through the use case one by one. So for the first situation where you want to key in your supplier for opening balance, so first of all, once you go into supplier invoice, you need to create another new transaction. Okay, so first thing you want to do is select who is your supplier. Okay, so the next thing you want to do is change the transaction date is to before the financial start period that you set inside the system. Okay, for example, okay, so once I put in the date before financial start period, then the system will actually show you as a past invoice. So this indicates as your opening balance. So the next thing that you want to do is on the bottom right hand corner to key in what is the total amount from the past invoices. Okay, so for example is 10,000. Okay, so once you do that, you can press the save button. This is how you can create an opening balance for your supplier. Okay, so the next situation is actually for you to record normal transaction not related to your trading items. So to do so, you can create another new transaction and then select who is your supplier. Okay, then underneath the document details side, you need to specify what is the purchase account. Okay, so for example, we just purchased another furniture from this particular supplier. Then we need to key in what is the total amount. Let's say it's 1,000. Okay, so that is how you can create another supplier invoice inside our system. So the additional function inside the supplier invoice is actually on the right hand side. You can see there is a fast entry. So this fast entry is basically for you to key in your invoices or create your invoices even more faster. So in order to do so, you need to add another line of row. Then first thing you need to do is also select who is your supplier. Okay, then you need to select what is the purchase account code that you just make the purchase. For example, Lightning. Then you need to specify what is the amount that you bought from this particular supplier. Okay, like that. So after you finish creating every single line of transaction, then you can select this post and also close. Okay, so once you select that, you can refresh the supplier invoice. So as you can see, another two new transactions will be created using the fast entry function. Okay, so the another additional functions that you can see underneath here is actually showing payment history. So supplier invoice is actually allowing you to check whether you already make payment for those outstanding bills that you owe to your supplier. So if let's say you already make a payment, over here it will show you what is the payment history. Okay, so that's all for today's video. I hope you enjoy. Please make sure to like and also subscribe to support our channel. So I will see you in the next video.